So, welcome back to all of you at Dr. Anjudhar Positive Talk. And as I promised, today I will be going to introduce a very, very renowned Dr. Nikhil Rane, a very famous thoracic surgeon, pulmonary surgeon, chest surgeon, and many more titles added to him. He's practicing in Navi Mumbai. So here we welcome Dr. Nikhil Rane.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
ma'am.
Sir, so today, as we will be going to focus our discussion how lifestyle influences or how our lifestyle impact has affect our lung health or pulmonary health. So before discussing this, I want to ask you how you get inspired to become this thoracic surgeon.
Uh, First of all, I'm very happy that today Dr. Anjudhar, ma'am, a doctor come lifestyle influencer, is with me, and I'm getting chance to speak with you people
Yeah.
about my surgery and specialty. Regarding your question, it's an interesting question. If you see, I wanted to become a surgical cancer surgeon,
Okay.
but when I went for my rounds, uh, for my the person before me took the last seat of surgical oncology. So I left with lot of seats.
Oh, okay.
The different specialty. Then
Oh.
I thought, why to choose thoracic? Why not to go ahead? Let's see. I wanted thoracic surgery. Sorry, onco surgery. But it is not available. Like in life, you have a
Yes.
love in life, but didn't get married. So
Yeah.
ultimately, but believe me, this was a very good decision to choose
Yes.
what the life offer you rather
Oh,
than what you want.
yes.
So, and Dr. Prashant Chhajar, who is himself a pulmonologist,
Okay.
he was sown a seed about thoracic surgery a year ago
Okay.
when I was preparing for my super specialty entrance.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that these two factors and made me to think about thoracic surgery at the counseling. But at the same time, I thought this is a new field,
Yes.
evolving field,
Yes.
and a rare field.
Yes.
And new challenges are in these are
Sure.
and opportunities are available
Exactly.
in India as well as abroad.
Hmm.
So why not to choose this thoracic surgery
Right.
in a country so that the poor people as well as the high socioeconomic people get benefited of these surgeries. So that's why I chosen a thoracic surgery.
ग्रेट थॉट सर, ग्रेट थॉट. आपकी इस बात से मुझे भी याद आया व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग फॉर पीजी, मुझे भी गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट का, गायनी का मिला था एंड देन पैथोलॉजी का मिला था एंड माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. सो आई वाज कंफ्यूज कौन सा लूं, तो मैंने फिर माइक्रोबायोलॉजी ही लिया, जबकि मैं क्लिनिकल ब्रांच में जाना चाहती थी, बट गायनी वाज नॉट माय फेवरेट एट ऑल. बट आई हैव चूजन माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, लेट डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. एंड फिर उसके बाद पीजी की जब मैं कर रही थी तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि गॉड हैज सम प्लान्स मेड फॉर यू. सो जिस चीज के लिए आप बने हैं, पर्पस वो गॉड आपको देता है. सो बीइंग माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट, फिर उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि जब मैंने जॉब के लिए गई, देन आई थॉट कि माइक्रो पैथोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री ये सब ही था. लेकिन एक दिन ऐसा आया कि कोविड में माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट क्या होता है, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी क्या होता है, देन thing has been came out. So happy to where we are.
Yes, so sometime let the as you said,
Yeah.
life should go ahead what God has planned for you. So
Exactly.
it become more enjoyable.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Because it's full of surprises.
yeah, yes, sir. So now I will like to ask, can you throw some, what is a thorax for our non-medico followers, sir? कि thoracic surgery क्या होती है, thorax क्या होता है?
थोरैक्स, ये जो है थोरैक्स लैटिन वर्ड है जिसमें थोरैक्स मतलब होता है चेस्ट.
ओके.
सो जो भी बीमारियां होती है चेस्ट के अंदर, तो उसकी जो सर्जरीज करनी होती है, तो उसको जो सर्जन चेस्ट की सर्जरीज करते हैं उनको थोरैसिक सर्जन कहते हैं या फिर पल्मोनरी सर्जरी कहते हैं, पल्मोनरी सर्जन कहते हैं.
ओके. ओके. सो व्हाई ये सर्जरीज के, व्हाट कैन बी द कॉजेस, व्हाट कैन बी द रीजंस कि यू हैव टू परफॉर्म दैट thoracic सर्जरी और पल्मोनरी सर्जरी, सर?
सर्टन डिसीजेस जो होती है जिसमें like when you have a pulmonary symptoms like chest
Hmm.
symptom like
Hmm.
cough, hemoptysis,
Hmm.
or breathlessness, you
Hmm.
visit a pulmonologist.
Okay.
Okay, who give you medicine. They
Okay.
treat you by either putting a chest tube. They diagnose by doing a bronchoscopy, putting a
Okay.
camera into your chest,
Okay.
like thoracoscopy. And
Okay.
sometimes some disease, and you improve, but sometimes certain diseases
Okay.
which may not get improved by the medical management or by thoracoscopically or by
Okay.
bronchoscopy.
Okay.
So that time you require certain diseases, you require a surgery.
Okay.
So those surgery are performed by a pulmonary surgeon.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is a thoracic
Okay.
surgeon.
So there is a misconception also, sir. Some of my patients, ask if we will go for a thoracic surgery. हमें especially that TB, कई बारी TB के patients होते हैं या कोई trauma के patients हैं कि हमारा heart भी open हो जाएगा. So CVT surgery के साथ confuse होते हैं. So is it same CVT surgery and this thoracic surgery?
Traditionally, it's a CVTS,
CVT,
cardiovascular
yeah,
thoracic surgery.
yeah,
But as the knowledge evolved, it
yeah.
was very difficult to retain all knowledge by the one person and all treat all diseases.
Okay.
So these three branches like cardiac, vascular, and a thoracic, these three branches are separated.
Okay.
So thoracic surgery surgeon
Hmm.
would do a chest surgeries like pulmonary chest, lung surgeries.
Hmm.
A cardiac surgeon do heart surgeries, and a
Huh.
vascular surgeon do the blood vessel surgery.
Okay, so
In-
all three branches
these
have
are
been
separate.
separated.
In short, if you ask me what the thoracic surgeon do
Huh.
here about the heart, so thoracic surgeon sees the heart, feel the heart, touch the heart, but never break the heart.
Oh,
And
wow.
do surgeries outside the heart.
Wow, great quote.
About the lungs.
Okay, very nice. So, moving further, how lifestyle influences this thoracic health or lung health?
Looking at the symptom of the chest, lifestyle has a role, like breathlessness. Or sometimes people say I'm getting breathless. Most in our today's lifestyle or eating habits, where they say there is something in the chest or something, but actually it is because of overweight also.
Okay.
One of the factor of the breathlessness is overweight.
Okay.
So to like we have seen when the car or a bus, when it is full and you are going uphill, you require more power. So same way, heart and lung health require more power.
Yes.
To combat this overweight.
Yes.
So you feel breathless. But obviously, you cannot label yourself that I have a breathlessness because of obesity unless you shown to the pulmonologist or a medicine doctor or a heart doctor to rule out other condition of breathlessness.
Very good point.
So when you have overweight, you should consult a pulmonologist or a medicine doctor or a cardiologist to see what was your actual cause of breathlessness.
Yes. So dear audience, note down, अगर आपको सांस की तकलीफ होती है रनिंग करने से या ज्यादा चलने से, सीढ़ी चलने से या छोटा कोई भी काम करने से, इफ यू फील ब्रेथलेस, देन बिफोर रूलिंग आउट द कॉज ऑफ ओबेसिटी, उससे पहले आपको अदर कॉजेज क्यों आपकी सांस फूल रही है करने के लिए आपको जरूरी है कंसल्ट करना जनरल फिजिशियन और चेस्ट फिजिशियन. So please note it down. So, sir, what role does physical activity plays for the thorax or our lung for maintaining the good health?
Exercises has a important role.
Okay.
Like हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, तो sometimes क्या होता है कि आप थोड़ा पानी आपके सांस की नलिका में जाता है, तो आपको खांसी आती है. You cough. So whenever there is a secretions into the lung at the distal inside, so they come out and when you cough it out, it expel it out. So naturally ये होते रहता है आपके normally, आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है कि वो बाहर आया, मतलब लंग से बाहर आके अपने इसोफेगस में उसको सॉल्व कर लिया. लेकिन जब एक्सरसाइज आपने पूछा, तो एक्सरसाइज जैसे जिसमें लंग में एयर ज्यादा जाए और वाइब्रेशन से वो सिक्रीशंस बाहर आ जाए. जैसे सिंपल एक्सरसाइज में मेरे सारे पेशेंट को बोलता हूँ
हाँ
ऑपरेशन के बाद ये सब
हाँ
सिक्रीशन या फिर
हाँ
खांसी निकालने के लिए
हाँ
कि आप स्पायरोमेट्री करो,
हम्म
जो बलून
फुलाने की
स्पायरोमीटर
एक्सरसाइज,
फुलाने की
यस
एक्सरसाइजेस।
यस
और काफी सारे पेशेंट तो इमीडिएटली सर्जरी के बाद वो कर नहीं पाते,
हाँ
तो उनके लिए मैं बोलता हूँ आप जिसमें ज्यादा वाइब्रेशन आएगा वॉइस में,
हाँ
दैट इज वोकल वाइब्रेशन फिजियोथेरेपी,
ओके
जस्ट सिंपल है द
हाँ
ओम।
हाँ
When you say a om
ओके
in a long om,
ओके
the om is a o m.
हाँ
So when you start like om, I ask every patient to do 101 times,
हाँ
morning, afternoon, and evening. So by 10 time or so, they started coughing out because at inside the lung, this air goes, vibrates,
secretion
secretion comes, and they expel out. So
ओके
this is the simple exercise everybody can do
ओके
every day.
ग्रेट
And like lung function, you ask, like to
यस
see the lung function, the
हाँ
pulmonologist and we as a medico, we do a pulmonary function test,
हम्म
which when you require a symptom or monitor the
हम्म
डिसीज की
हम्म
मॉनिटरिंग के लिए
हम्म
करते हैं। लेकिन एक सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है, जैसे हम
हम्म
कॉन्च शेल होता है जो
हम्म हम्म
शंखनाद करते हैं,
हम्म
अगर आप जोर से शंखनाद कर पाते हो 6 सेकंड के ऊपर, दैट मीन्स
हम्म
यू हैव वेरी गुड लंग फंक्शन।
ओह वाओ
यस। सो दैट ब्लोइंग अ शेल, जो शंख बजाते हैं, तो
हाँ
उसके आपको पता भी चल जाता है कि आपका लंग फंक्शन अच्छा है।
हम्म
दूसरी चीज है, शंख बजाते हैं तो आपके घर के अंदर पॉजिटिव
ड्यूटी
एनर्जी आ
आती
जाती है,
है यस
और
यस
जो वॉइस होता है शंख का,
हाँ
जो आवाज होता है शंख,
हाँ
उससे नेगेटिव एनर्जी डिस्प्लेस
डिस्प्ले हो जाती
हो
है
जाती है। तो आई थिंक
ये
ब्लोइंग अ कॉन्च शेल है, शंखनाद is a very good exercise which everybody can do at
wow
home.
very basic and
Simple.
exercises you have told जिसको शंख बजाना नहीं आता I think गुब्बारा फुलाना sir will do the same
Uh,
activity or not this thing
एग्री, अगर नहीं आता तो नहीं आता तो आप सीख लो।
okay
So by
okay
because
that
everything is
is
possible in
possible
this world
yes
unless you give up.
yes
But if you try to do it, do it. When if you fall, like my PG teacher always
हाँ
said, Dr. Ali Zamir Khan,
हाँ
if you wanted to fall, fall forward. So when you
okay
get up, you will be at other level and you are getting up, and you try, fail, but sometime you will fall, you will stand,
yeah
and you will be the work.
yes
You achieved that work. So even for me, was blowing a shell was a problem,
hmm.
but now with the practice, can
Okay.
blow a shell.
I will also do. And audience, you also go for it. So the last question of today's episode is मेंटल हेल्थ का क्या रोल रहता है हमारे रेस्पिरेशन गुड रेस्पिरेटरी हेल्थ पे if you are going through some mental stress or distress so does it affect that respiratory health or lung health
मेंटल हेल्थ इज इसेंशियल फॉर
हम्म
योर ऑल एक्टिविटीज। अगर आप हम देखते हैं कि जो डेफिनेशन होती है हेल्थ की, तो हेल्थ की डेफिनेशन ही है, इट्स अ फिजिकल, मेंटल, सोशल, इकोनॉमिकल एंड सेक्सुअल वेलबींग। Unless your mind controls everything, so mental health has an important role. So if your mental health is good, so you can perform your all activities, like at workplace, everywhere you can perform. You will be the and you will also feel satisfied at the end of the day.
yes.
So mental health has a definitely role in the every system, including the respiratory system.
Yes. So friends, this talk is for the first episode. Very great information. I hope you came to know for today with today's episode. So stay tuned for my next episode tomorrow because there are still many great information हम लोग extract करेंगे अपने डॉक्टर निखिल राणे सर से. So stay tuned for my next episode.